Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. We do a lot of work involving family law and visitation rights, and we've been doing it for a long time. We do it very well. And today I want to talk to you about out-of-town visitation. Before I roll into it, I want to tell you, if I say something that you have a question about, of course, call the office at 248-588-3333. Out-of-town visitation is complicated. You know, if you live in Detroit and your ex lives in Southfield, it's really quite simple to arrange visitation, and most reasonable people can work that out. The problem that you get is when you're living in Southfield and your ex lives in Florida. How do you handle that? Well, the courts set up an opportunity for the parties to engage in the out-of-town parenting time, but there are going to be some issues. For example, who's going to pay the cost of going back and forth out of town? You may be talking about expensive air tickets or expensive ground transportation to do that. Can the kids go by themselves? Are they appropriately chaperoned? Are they old enough to make the trip without the chaperone? Those are going to be important issues. And then the question becomes, you know, what if there's an emergency and your kids are now in Florida? How do you deal with that? If there's an emergency and your kids are local, you can go pick them up. If, God forbid, someone's in the hospital, you can meet your ex at the hospital to deal with the issue. You can't do it when it's out of town. And this is why parents are very reluctant to deal with out-of-town issues, but it's a reality. You've got no choice. Employment things and other things that have caused people to move to different places have made the world a different kind of place. It's very common now to see married couples living in different places, and then when they get divorced, they're living in different places. If you have questions about this, if it's something that's part of your life, give us a call. Let us help you navigate through that, and we'll give you guidance on what you should do in that situation.